Hi, Tia Silvasi here. I'm the Florida Friendly Landscaping Agent with the University of Florida Extension in Orange County, and today I'm going to talk to you about propagating sweet potatoes. So we're getting around the summer, it's almost June 1st, and sweet potatoes are one of the few things that will grow in the summer. And so you can propagate it two ways. One is from a sweet potato cutting, and another one is from a sweet potato tuber. All right, so if you can't find a cutting from one of your friends, or you have one left over from last year, then what you can do is you can buy a sweet potato at the grocery store and then plant it. So the way you want to plant it is with the bulby side, the bigger side, down a little bit, but just beneath the surface of the soil. So I have a big pot here, but you can also plant it in the ground, which is fine. So I'm going to plant it just on the surface there. The new shoots will come out of the skinnier part here. And then I'm just going to cover it up with soil very lightly, so you can just barely not even see it. Now, if you're going to grow the sweet potato from the cutting, you want to start with a 10 to maybe 12-inch long section and remove all the lower leaves off. I just pinch them off with my fingers. And then you can again plant this directly in the ground, but I'm just going to put it in the pot for demonstration. You could put it in pots too and give it away. So I really remove a lot of these leaves, and that will help to reduce the transpiration of the plant so it doesn't go into shock too much. So I'll just leave, the top 3 or 4 leaves. And when you plant it in the ground, you want to plant it sideways like this, where the soil covers the bottom part and only this top shoot sticks up. If you plant it in a pot, you can plant it in a similar way, right like that, and cover it up with the soil, or you can just put it directly down in the soil where it goes down deep into the soil. So anyway, I hope you learned how to plant sweet potatoes today. This is a great crop to plant in the Florida summer because it can withstand the heat, and then your potatoes will be ready in about 3 to 6 months, so around Thanksgiving time. All right, so stay tuned for more videos.